Hey guys, you've got Storm from Team Les and we're here to talk about curls. Now when it comes to loving curly hair, we all know that it can be a bit of an ordeal. And who can blame us? It's only been through recent years and the power of the internet that we've even figured out what to do with it. And now, with all the YouTube tutorials and Pinterest boards, when it comes to special occasions, we're still kind of clueless. It doesn't help that curly hair still isn't considered elegant, but we're here to change all that, which is why we've teamed up with our favorite curl specialists at Curl Ambassadors right here in Toronto to show you how. If you don't know by now, here at Les we are 100% about keeping it real. So we'll hit you with the straight up truth. When it comes to rocking your curls natural on a day, let's say as big as your wedding, it's not a decision that you can make overnight. Especially if your curls have been damaged by chemical, color, or heat. It's going to take time, patience, and care to rejuvenate your curls. First step is to cut off the source of damage, ditch any heat and chemicals, and get into a deep conditioning routine. Also, be sure to start going for regular trims and find a stylist that really gets how to work with curly hair. Next, you want to figure out what you actually want to do with your hair. Start by finding out your curl type. That way you can look for styles that not only fit into the aesthetic of your big day, but actually work with your hair. While it's great to know what you want, it's a good idea to collaborate with your stylist in advance to find a unique style that works specifically for you and your curls. But don't feel limited. There are so many ways to add flair to your curly hairstyles. You can use braids or twists to add texture. You can use ornaments to up the glam factor, or pinning the hair to add dimension. There are so many different ways to create natural curly hair looks for any occasion. Comment below and tell us, did you rock your hair natural on your big day? Or is your big day coming up and you're thinking of rocking your hair natural? We want to know. Comment below. Bye guys!
Natural curls already have a great texture, so it's easier to do like kind of free flowing. I feel like free flowing styles are better because curly hair is free flowing. You know, it wants to do what it wants to do, so let's push it in that direction, and then it usually won't fail on you. When, like, as opposed to like trying to force it into like a straight style.
Naturally curly hair, as Tristan here, she already has the volume that all straight girls want. We don't have to work on backcombing, we don't have to manipulate the curl, we don't have to put hot rollers in. So we're gonna work with her natural curl, because as she has, it's a lot of hair and density. As versus straight girls, they want backcombing to achieve the lift, and we have to put the hot rollers in and smooth out the curl. As curly girls, we don't do that. We work with what they have.
I allowed the hair to talk to me. The hair literally told me, put me up in a full hog. It really did. Because I don't want to manipulate her curls too much, or else we're going to invite frizz. So it was just really easy today. Because as I was clipping this side off, I thought, full hog.